Hi, I am Kem S. Galio, a BSIT graduate of Guimaras State College, now a university, batch 2023. At present, I am working as a technical support and field support at Producer Savings Bank Corporation. And my works includes giving support or assistance to 36 branches of Panay and Negros area of Producers Bank, and it covers a lot of different situational or different kind of works. As a technical support, we need to maintain the operational work of every branches, like debugging the system of the bank, configuring IP addresses, maintaining the operability of the ATM machine, repairing hardware and software error of the ATM machine, networking, network cabling, formatting and installing OS, and also the functionality of the CCTV, alarm, and the most common work that I have experienced since high school until college is the disassemble and assemble the system unit. And because every branches has a 6 to 8 workstations, so every workstation has a desktop, so we need to support and assist them through remote or on-site visit to the branches that has an IT concerns. So that's our workflows as a technical and field support of Producers Bank. How has your experience at Guimaras State University influenced your personal and professional growth since graduating? As a graduate of Guimaras State University, those experience that I have been fought since when I was studying, it has a big impact, or let us say it influenced my personal and professional growth. For example, when I was on fourth year college, when I was facing the most challenging part of our journey as a IT, the capstone, or the other courses called it thesis. This is the part that we need to be more serious or passionate of what we're doing and having a lot of patience. And the most important is that we need to apply the characteristic of being professionalism when we are working. Making capstone helps me to boost my self-esteem, pushing myself to the limits where I need to double my effort, especially when you are the team manager of your capstone. I like the way how we brainstorming with my members because all of them has a different perspectives and thoughts on how we build our system in capstone. Can you share a specific example of how the skills and knowledge you gained at College of Science and Technology have had a positive impact on your career? Those skills and knowledge that I have gained at College of Science and Technology has a positive impact on my career right now. For example, I think it was on first year college that we need to familiarize the parts of the keyboard. We cannot proceed to the next topic if all of us cannot familiarize it, like the proper positioning of our fingers, like for the letter M, letter A, L, C, the space bar, the delete key, shift key, and the control key, and many more, something like that. So that time it was the enjoyable part of our journey, and that's the reason why I feel so easy when it comes to encoding. You code fast, so it will make your work easier and faster. And the time frame that you are building up, it will become fitter. And also some common skills and knowledge that I gained at Guimaras State University, especially at the College of Science and Technology, include critical thinking, um, problem solving, research skills, effective communication, time management, and teamwork. And those skills are transferable and can be applied in different professional settings. What advice would you give to current students of GSU or the recent graduates of GSU, especially on College of Science and Technology, who are preparing to enter the workforce or pursue further education? As someone who has observed and learned from various experiences, I can offer some advice to current students or recent graduates of College of Science and Technology who are preparing to enter the workforce or pursue further education. First is that build a strong network. Networking is crucial in today's professional world. Connect with professors, alumni, and professionals in your field of interest. Attend career fairs, seminars, and industry events to expand your network. And also, these connections can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and potential job opportunities. The second is gain practical experiences. While academic knowledge is important, practical experience can set you apart from other candidates. Look for internship, research projects that allows you to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. These hands-on experiences will enhance your resume and give you a competitive edge. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so it's important to stay true to yourself, follow your passions, and be open to new opportunities. Good luck in your future endeavors.